After discussing all basic informations and results, I want to discuss with you one very elementary question related to probability. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. We have 52 cards, and out of these 52 cards, one card is being picked. If each outcome is equally likely, that means cards are very well shuffled, number one, and no card repeat and no card is missing. Find the probability of getting a diamond. We know that there are 13 diamonds. So for first part, probability of getting a diamond. Probability of getting a diamond is what? 13 by 52, because favorable outcomes are 13, total are 52, so it is 1 by 4. If we talk about second, a black card, probability of getting a black card. Getting a black card, we have 26 black, that is black cards are, that is black cards. You know what are the two black faces? What are the two categories of the black? One, there are diamonds red, heart red. Then spade and club, these are 13 cards, so this become 1 by 2. Not a diamond, getting a diamond is 1 by 4. So probability of not getting a diamond is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is what? 3 by 4. Not a black card, probability of getting a black card is half. So not getting a black card is 1 minus getting a black card, that is what? Half. So it's very ordinary question. We can discuss with knowing some little bit concepts. One more example related to the probabilities. A committee of 2 persons is to be formed, selected from 2 men and 2 women. We have 2 men and 2 women, and a committee of 2 persons is required to form out of these 2 men and 2 women. Condition: find the probability that committee has no men. We have how many men? First of all, we have 2 men and we have 2 women. So in case number 1, there is no man in the committee. So what is the probability that, suppose this event is A, probability of getting there is no man, it means out of 2 women, both are to be chosen, 2C2, but total is 4C2 because out of 4 we have to take 2. Second, if I talk about and I name this event as B, 1 man, that is 2C1, if one is the man, other is the woman, that is 2C1, but total chances are 4C2. Third, there are 2 men. If I name it C, then there are 2 men. 2 men means out of these 2 men, both are to be chosen. That is 2C2 divided by 4C2. This is the answer of getting the probability under their required conditions.